Guys, today is April 5th, Friday. We are almost to the track. We have a video uploading right now. It's currently, it's currently 5:25, so we're pulling up to the racetrack here at Baton Rouge. Had a lot of work that we done this week. Luckily, I was off of school and was able to do a little bit more than what we normally done. Both cars are loaded, or both cars are headed to the track. We had Mr. Ryan with Nice Eyes by Ryan giving us a couple axles, two axles. So we're pulling in right now. There is, the sign's right there, Baton Rouge Raceway. So my car's in the enclosed, Daddy's is in the open. It just was easier that way. We brought him home that way, and then the Daddy's car stayed in the shop the whole time. Mine stayed in the enclosed, so we just loaded it up like that, and we'll probably swap them around at the racetrack. So like we do every week, every race, headed to pit road, or headed to the pit gate. We pray, so we're gonna go ahead and pray. Y'all ready? Yep. Dear Lord, thank you for today. Thank you for everything you've done for us. We ask that you keep everybody safe tonight. Let everybody have fun. We ask that you keep all of our cars together in one piece. Keep everybody's car in one piece. And if it's your will, let us get a win tonight. And in all your, in your personal name, amen. Amen. Well, screwed that one up, but it still don't matter. So almost here, and once we get all four, or R2 unloaded, we'll video, or all five. Oh, Mr. Chad's bringing his pure stock tonight, so once we get all 5 unloaded, or R2 unloaded, I'll get back on here in videos. So we'll catch y'all in a minute. Hey guys, so we got all 4 of our cars waiting on the 5th one to come. Daddy's car right there, here's mine, Mr. Josh, Mr. Justin, and then William over there. So all cars are unloaded. We're getting ready. Daddy's getting in his suit, so next thing y'all will see is us doing hot laps. I had a flat right front. I don't know what it is with me and flats, but we had a flat right front. After contact, just had a flat right front. It happens. Nothing wrong happened there. So we got a new right front on it. Sitting here, we're fixing to go look at the track. Gonna make a call on my own, or well, gonna make a setup call. Really, my preference of what I think needs to happen. My car was a little tight. We kind of needed to be a little loose. So, like I said, we're going to look at the track right now to see what it looks like, see what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna wait until the crates are done racing, because crates, bigger tires, and they're faster, are gonna be blowing a lot of dirt off of the track, or well, a lot of dirt off of one lane. So that's what I'm gonna be looking at. Got the crew chief over here, Chance. So, like I said, we're out here at the track right here. Mini wedges are racing out there. So, we're fixing to start looking at the track and make a setup call. we just finished our feature. All the races are done for the night. Successful night. It was a 1-lane track. Was able to go from 15th to 6th. Can't really complain about that. Both cars are in one piece and got on the trailer how they should, and we drove them to the trailer. Only bad thing that happened tonight was we're gonna have to repair my right rear spoiler. Whenever I got a flat right front, the car it kind of sucked it in a little bit, as I'll show y'all right here. So we had to put a new right front on it. Thank you to Mr. Josh. In order to make our setup work, we had to get one of his wheels. Got a little bit of body work to do right here. Climbed the car, so at least it didn't end up like. He started second, finished